we talk about the teachings of Jesus on wealth. He said that spiritual wealth is more valuable than material wealth. So it's better for you to value spiritual wealth. Christians also should use their wealth to help the needy. That is what Jesus said. And he said that wealth can be a hindrance to what? To salvation. Wealth also should be used in spreading the gospel, or in preparing for yourself for the life after. That is the heavenly inheritance. Also, he taught that you should not discriminate others on the basis of their material possession. That is, you should not discriminate those who are poor. And you should acquire your wealth in a what? In a honest way. And if you're not careful, you might think you're independent because of your wealth. But it gives you a false independence, because only spiritual wealth can give you true independence. And he also taught that wealth is a blessing from God. Ways in which Christians can use their money to glorify God. Number one, you can use your wealth to compose songs. You compose Christian songs. Also, you sponsor maybe radio or TV channels that are spreading the word of God. That is, you sponsor the media that is of gospel messages. You can use your wealth to translating the Bible in different languages. Also, you can sponsor people who are spreading the word of God. That is, in case they want to travel somewhere, you can sponsor them. That is how you use your wealth. Also, to print gospel material that other Christians can use. You can also organize workshops to enlighten people about God. That means that you organize and you fund them. You fund the workshops in order to spread the word of God. And you can also, as a Christian, use your wealth to construct what? Churches. How money undermined the principles of Christian living. Yes. As a Christian, we are supposed to live obeying God and obeying His commands, and also we should respect our fellow men. That is basically, as a Christian, your main principle is obeying the God's commands. So ours, money, undermined your Christian principle of following the God's command. Number one, because money leads to bribery and corruption, which is against Christian teachings. Another way money has undermined Christian living, it is that it makes people to give false witness for you to be given money. Even here in school, you can be called, you say something, and then your friend tells you, when you go there, say this. And you know you'll benefit. They won't instantly give you money, but they will buy something, they've already bribed you. They will use their money and buy bread and then give you. They've already bribed you. Or they buy you something else. So they undermine, that is how it undermines the principles of Christian living. Also, those who do not have money, they are discriminated by the rich. That is the order of the day. How money has undermined principles of Christian living. And we said about it leads to bribery and corruption. It enables people to give false witness for exchange of money. And we were at the point whereby we were saying that those who don't have money are discriminated by the rich. Some of the rich people, yes, discriminate those who are poor. And also there is power struggle in order to acquire wealth, whereby everyone wants to seek power. What do you think people are killed if they are what? If we have elections? Because people want power, because the power comes with what? With wealth. So that's why how money has undermined the Christian living. Also, it has led to individualism. where people are not willing to help the needy. They are not willing because if they help the needy, they think that their wealth is going to do what? To discriminate, to decrease. And also due to paid wages, people have migrated from the rural areas and moved to towns. And that is what? Is a tends to be a challenge for the family unit, that the whole family, even the extended family, cannot be together because people have moved to the urban areas in order to seek for employment, to be paid wages. Also, people refuse to work hard and rely on donations and foreign aids. That is how money is undermined, because now you also don't have to work. You can depend on the foreign aid. And remember that God urges us to do what? To work, because He Himself worked. Also, love and unity of families have been affected by commercialization of the bride wealth. In that, if you do not give the amount of wealth, because now it is being done in form of money, you can end up doing what? You can end up making a couple not to marry. That's the basis. That makes it a challenge. And also, people are struggling so much on working for money and not worshiping what? God. For example, if you don't go to church, that you can go and open you can go for your to do business. That is to open maybe a shop or to trade. That is it is undermining the Christian living. Kitufike pale.